Doesn't this pie look amazing? Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to Living Lacurdo, where you can find fun recipes, party ideas, and crafts to help you live a more creative life. Today we're making the easiest chocolate mint pie. In a mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese until light and fluffy. Now gradually add condensed milk and mint extract and mix until smooth. Now you'll mix in about 12 drops of green food coloring and add 15 coarsely crushed mint Oreo cookies. Now stir this up. Now you're going to fold in the whipped cream. Do it gently. And when that's all mixed up, grab your Oreo pie crust and spoon in the mixture. Yum, it looks so good already. Now cover and refrigerate and freeze if you want until you're ready to serve. Yum, I hope you guys love this easy no-bake chocolate mint pie. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to Living Lacurdo and be sure to check out these other great videos to help you live a fun, creative life.